Hi everyone, welcome to Coco Senor, and today I will teach you how to recover a forgotten or lost password for a RAR file. Open the RAR file and find that it is protected with an open password. Forget the password to open it? Don't worry, Coco Senor RAR Password Tuner can help you. This RAR Password Unlocker offers smart recovery methods to recover forgotten password for RAR archives. You can download it from the official website and finish the installation. Now open the software and click the Open button to import the encrypted RAR file. OK, choose the recovery type. There are 4 password recovery types for you. Firstly, the brute force recovery type is selected. To speed up the recovery process, you can customize the range and length. If possible, set the minimal and maximal length of passwords. Then click the Start button. Finally, the password is found. The mask recovery type can be used if you remember part of the password. Choose the mask option on the recovery type drop-down menu. Then set the mask for your password. After that, click the Start button. Wait patiently until the password is recovered. Now, the password is successfully recovered. As for the dictionary recovery type, you can choose it if you have kept a password dictionary file. Just click the Dictionary tab. Then click the button, select Dictionary and add your dictionary file. Click the Start button and the software will test and find the right password for your RAR file if it exists on the dictionary file. If you know nothing about the password, try the SMART method. In this way, the software will test all possible combinations until it finds the right one. So, it will take much more time. That's all. Thanks for watching.